Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3rd maths lesson number 4 in that exercise number 4e. We are going to learn exercise number 4e. Okay, these are the word problems that we have to solve. Now first one, 4,300 cookies were purchased for the distribution on Children's Day. Now for the 4,300 cookies they purchased for the distribution of the Children's Day. In that, if 3,886 cookies were distributed, means total they took the cookies 4,300 and in that they distributed cookies 3,886 cookies were distributed. Then how many cookies were left? How many cookies were left that we have to see. Now exercise number 4e, first one solution. Total purchased cookies 4,300. Okay, in that distributed on Children's Day 3,886 cookies will distributed. Now they are asking remaining cookies. Okay, now you have to do the subtraction. Then you have to take one borrow from these two. 3 here, 10, cut this 10 here, 9 and here 10. Now 10 minus 6, here 4 will be there. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 8, then you can't do, that's why here 3 and here 12. 12 minus 8, here 4 will be there. Okay, and 3 minus 3, 0. Now remaining cookies are 414 are remaining cookies. Okay, I hope you understood this subtraction. Now we'll go for the second sum. Mr. Paul had rupees 7,812. He spent rupees 5,350. How much money was left with him? Now Mr. Paul had total, he had rupees 7,812 total rupees he is having. Now in that he spent on a something like he took something. He spent on that 5,350. Now they are asking how much money is remaining with the Paul. We'll go for the solution. Mr. Paul had 7,812 rupees and he spent on something rupees 5,350. They are asking total how much money is remaining with the Paul. 2 minus 0, here 2 will be there. 1 minus 5 we can't do, that's why cut this 7 here, right? Here 11. 11 minus 5, here 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 7 minus 5, here 2 will be there. Now remaining amount with the Paul is 2,462 rupees. Now rupees 2,462 was left with him. Okay, the money was left with the Paul. Now we'll go for the third solution. John had 3,215 marbles. He lost 1,072 marbles. How many marbles are left with him? Now total Johan was playing with the marbles. Total marbles he is having with him 3,215 and he lost the marbles 1,072. He lost the marbles and now they are asking how many marbles are remaining with the John. We'll go for the solution. 3,215 Johan had the marbles and he lost the marbles 1,072. First we have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 2, 3. 1, 11. 11 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here 4. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2,143 marbles are remaining with him. 2,143 marbles left with Johan, means remaining with Johan. Now we'll go for the fourth one solution. Now Megha choose a dress costing rupees 2,650. She was short of the requirement money was rupees 1,285. How much money she had with her? Now listen here children carefully. Now Megha chosen a dress costing 2,650. She chosen a one dress. It costing 2,650. Total cost of that dress, and she was short of the requirement money. Now she has money, but she was a short money, means less money. How much is less for the 2,650? 1,285 is less for her to purchase the dress. Okay, to purchase the dress. They are asking now how much money was with the Megha. Now dress cost rupees 2,650 and required money rupees 1,285. Now 0 minus 5 we can't do. 4, 10. 10 minus 5, 5 here. 4 minus 8 we can't do. Here 5, here 14. Minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1 here. Megha had with her rupees 1,365 rupees she was having with her, and she wanted 1,285 rupees to purchase the dress. The population of a village is 8,623 if there is 5,162 are males. Male members. Find the number of people female in the village. Now population means what? Total strength. Total strength of the village. Total members are staying in a village. People. Population means people. Total people are in a village 8,623. In that 5,162 are a male. They are asking how many are a female. Male means what? Gents, and female means ladies. Okay. Now we'll go for the solution. Total population of a village 8,623. Total men in a village, males. It will be 5,162. Now you have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 6 we can't do. Then 5. Here 12, 6. 5 minus 1, here 4. 8 minus 5, here 3. Total males will be in a, females will be in a village is 3,461. Then answer you have to write. Total females in the village are 3,461. Okay, I hope you understood.